Assalamu alaikum all of you. Hope you all are well. Here I come with my new video. In the previous one I have given you the concept about how two straight lines which are given, we can say that they are intersecting or they are parallel or they are coincidence. With the ratio of the coefficients of x and y and constant terms, we can find whether the straight lines representing pair of linear equations are intersecting lines, coincident lines and parallel lines. So let's do one sum so that it will be clear to you. So you can read on the screen one question I have written, question number 2, and in this question what we have, that on comparing the ratios a1 by a2, b1 by b2 and c1 by c2, find out whether the given linear pair of linear equations are intersecting lines, intersect at a point, or are parallel lines or coincident lines. Okay, so to that what I have done, two questions we have, sub part 1 and sub part 2. So number 1, how I have solved, just see. First equation, two equation I have written that given 5x minus 4y plus 8 equals to 0, 7x plus 6y minus 8, 9 is equals to 0. Here what is a1, b1, c1 I have written, what is a2, b2, c2 I have written, and I have found what is a1 by a2, b1 by b2, c1 by c2. You can see, right? And then I have checked that a1 by a2 and b1 by b2 and c1 by c2 all are not equal. Since these first two are not equal, a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2, so according to condition what we have, that the given two straight lines are intersecting lines. I have told you in the previous one, when a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2, those lines are called intersecting lines. Now check for the second one. Same thing, I have written a1 by a2, b1 by b2 first, and I have found out what is a1 by a2, b1 by b2, c1 by c2. And see, in all the cases we have 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2, right? So since a1 by a2, b1 by b2 all are equal, so we can say they are coincident lines. If the first two is only equal, a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2, in that case the two lines are parallel lines. But if all the threes are equal, then they are coincident lines. Hope you have understood this.